welcome back to Saha Design. In this video, we will Tussar Geecha fabric. We will last week introduce the product. That is similar patterns. We will encourage you response. That is similar patterns. We will this beautiful shades add detail. First shade is pink color. This material is Tussar Geecha fabric. It's a soft material, almost similar to Tussar. This is Bhagalpuri Tussar. This design is red color, pink, golden combination. Weaving all over. Design is line pattern, golden weaving. Center light, alternative white, red, pink, alternative white. These motifs Daman portion like zigzag design line patterns design pair same Tussar fabric bottom material dupatta top material design dupatta complete weaving body hugging material response purchase end portion design tassels highlight this set price range is 2050 range. Top length is 2.5 meters. Next shade is aqua blue tone. Green and blue mix combination. Detailing is full item. Weaving patterns, weaving motifs. Light golden shade, line pattern weaving. Center portion design. Central golden weaving. Simple design. End portion pattern. Pair silk bottom, same Tussar Geecha bottom material. Dupatta color combinations. Price range is 2050 silverish grey tone. Next shade contrast purple shade, navy blue, golden combination. Weaving pattern end portion design subtle golden shade. Design daman portion pair Tussar Geecha bottom material dupatta rich look shade use option. Price range is 2050 range. Top length is 2.5 meters. Last shade is almost favorite parrot green shade. Detailing combinations blue, green combination. Golden weaving add end portion work pair Tussar Geecha bottom material. Dupatta dupatta color combination. Price range is 2050 top length is 2.5 meters. Sleeves same design bordering. Tussar Geecha fabric beautiful shades patterns purchase video screenshot WhatsApp number 7907546300 9745537 487.